So I'm holding my hair like this to the front, yeah, and hairspraying to the roots before I start back combing, because it's gonna be more easy for me and I will have little texture on the roots. So this is a direct back combing when we are pushing all the hair very close, and this direction only we are back combing. Usually teasing the roots not only to give a volume, it's more to give a direction and to keep all the hair together, otherwise it can be separated, right? All the hair that we were back combing, now we're going to separate and open it very wide. And we're gently combing, not too deep, otherwise you can release this teasing hair that you are creating. I'm going to do cleaning technique, which means that when you can see the short and tiny hairs which is broken and damaged, right? So you have to pick up all this hair before you start pulling and cleaning. You can use shine spray, wax spray, or ordinary hairspray. But when you're using ordinary hairspray, you have to hold it very far away, because it doesn't have to be sticky or too much hold. And that's why it should be flexible and movable. You should hairspray from far away like that, and then you should comb it very gently like this. All the ends that we are working, you have to comb it very well, because it should be like movable again, right? When you pull it this hair, it doesn't have to be stuck here. So, and now I'm taking all this hair again and combing. When it's clean enough, we don't have to use too much comb now, because we want to create more commercial lines, right? And that's what we're gonna just pull it. The lines that we're creating is gonna be a little bit wide, yeah. And I'm not hairspraying too much, as you can see, very gently. Because when you hairspray this part, you can also hairspray this part, and that's why you have to cover the area that you're not working yet, because you can make this hair more sticky then. Again, I'm not creating too big lines. I finished the roots, right? And then I can put some pins to support these lines. If you see that it gets messy a little bit, then you can take the comb and comb it very gently and pull all the hair again like that and create again these lines. Okay, don't have to get like slim or very like thin. And that's all. As you can see, we have very commercial lines, which is a little bit bigger and wide. It's not too slim. And I'm taking all this hair, yeah, to one side like so. And I'm gonna put bobby pin to the ends. Magnifique! What we're gonna do next, we're gonna take like this sponge and we're gonna dress it like so. So we're gonna fix all this very close to the roots, okay? This is base, right? And that's why you have to fix it very well. So we have this hair now. What we're gonna do with this hair? We're gonna take this all hair and we're gonna separate for 5 sections, 5 pieces, okay? So you have to try to separate all this hair in same quantity also. And all sections we're gonna take it to another side, because it doesn't have to be get mixed it up, right? We're gonna length back combing. We're gonna back comb all the hair. We take like that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're going to back comb again all the hair inside, especially, okay? It doesn't have to separate it, or it doesn't have to get like open it, right? They have to stay together, and it should be very nice like that. And then when you feel it's folded good, then we are hairspraying inside only. Combing on the top side, we want this hair stay together, okay? And we are pulling this hair like this, 1, 2, and 3 lines, okay? And then we are releasing from our hand, and as you can see, we have this hair now. And of course it can be a little bit messy, and that's why we need to comb this hair very well, and we need to hairspray inside and outside, both sides. very well. Again, you take this here and comb it very well. So we have 3 like this here now. So look what we're going to do. When you have these 3 very good piece of hair, I want to place them in right part, in right place, right? So I want to place them right here, and that's why I want to put like this pin that gives me the mark, yeah, and direction where I should go. And then I'm gonna take all this hair like this. I can put my fingers like that, so it will stay separated, especially from the roots. Okay, and then I am putting some pins again, and also I'm fixing the roots like this with the pin also. And I'm going, as I'm going, I'm using a little bit pins and supporting these lines. We are combing this hair and putting everything separated. And again, we're gonna use a lot of pins here because pins gives you more natural lining hair, okay? And again, I'm combing this hair very gently, and this, okay? And as you can see, I'm opening and creating this little bit sharper lines. When we were creating the roots, we can use the clip because it's more like a lot of hair, right? But here it's not the roots, and that's why I'm trying to make it everything very like light and soft, okay? Again, combing all the hair. And then we take this hair, combing it very well, and then we can go again like that and opening it and making it more artistic now because it should be very soft and light, and also it should be interesting. And we're gonna do the same thing here.